Welcome back, guys, to my welding channel. And in today's episode, I'm gonna make a little person, and I already got all the out of my little tub of randomness. So I'm just gonna go right into welding it all, and it's gonna be a nice, easy, quick. So I'm gonna go into welding it all. I just got done welding it all together, and now I'm going to go ahead and clean it up and everything, and then it will be done. I just got done cleaning everything up, as you guys can see, and this is it. This is a nice little quick welding piece. I don't know if I'll spray paint it. I think I'll just keep it the same. I might change my mind later, but this is it of the episode. Bye.